You've probably been thinking, I want to start selling online, but what product is actually easy to sell? Here's the truth. Most beginners fail because they pick products that are too expensive to produce, hard to ship, or take months to create. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest product you can start selling today, even if you have zero experience, zero inventory, and a tiny budget. I help people turn simple ideas into profitable online businesses. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I post videos every week on digital products, passive income, and smart marketing. Now, let's get straight into it. When people start out, they think they need to invent something new, manufacture a physical product, or spend thousands on ads. The problem? That's time-consuming, risky, and expensive. And if you've never sold anything before, you'll spend months working without making a single sale. You need something fast, low cost, and in demand, something you can launch in days, not months. The easiest product to sell as a beginner is digital downloads. Why? No inventory. You create it once, sell it forever. Zero shipping costs. Customers get instant access. Low startup cost. You can design with free tools like Canva. Global reach. Sell to anyone, anywhere. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a graphic designer or tech genius. Templates, planners, checklists, ebooks, printables, these products are already proven to sell. Let's say you're into fitness. You could make a workout tracker or a meal prep guide. Into business? Create social media post templates or a small business budget sheet. Love organizing? Design a digital planner or a decluttering checklist. These aren't random ideas. People search for them on Etsy, Pinterest, and Google every single day. That means there's already an audience waiting to buy. You can start selling on platforms like Etsy, great for beginners, huge built-in audience. Gumroad, perfect for digital-only products, easy to set up. Shopify, best if you want your own branded store. The beauty is you can start for free or with very low fees. Your first sale will almost always come from marketing, not just listing your product and waiting. Use platforms like Pinterest and TikTok to show your product in action. Example, if you made a digital planner, post a quick TikTok showing how I organize my week with this planner. Add your shop link in your bio or pin description, and you've got a direct path to sales. Here's the thing. Selling online isn't about creating the most original product. It's about solving a problem for someone, faster, easier, or in a prettier way than they could do it themselves. Start small, improve with feedback, and your products will naturally evolve. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time, it's now. The easiest product to start selling is one you can create today, list tomorrow, and start marketing immediately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what digital product you'd love to sell first.